Hello there, I'm Barbara Serra. These are the headlines on Al Jazeera. The man accused of killing scores of people in twin attacks in Norway has faced court. Anders Behring Breivik has admitted the bombing and shooting spree, but denied criminal wrongdoing. Cars were attacked as they entered the court building, even though this one wasn't carrying Breivik. Inside, the judge denied Breivik's request for a public hearing. But the judge did tell media parts of Breivik's justification for the killings, which includes saving Western Europe from cultural Marxism and the Muslim takeover. On Monday evening, tens of thousands gathered for a memorial service in Oslo. Police have lowered the number of people known to have died in the massacre from 93 to 76. Al Jazeera's Nick Spicer is in Oslo and says Breivik will remain in prison under high security.
They're pretty much the harshest conditions that can be envisioned under the circumstances. He will have his time in jail doubled to 8 weeks while awaiting trial. He will be kept in solitary confinement for 4 weeks. He will not be able to receive visitors. He will not be able to receive letters.
U.S. President Barack Obama says spending cuts and tax hikes are needed to cut the country's huge budget deficit. Republicans and Democrats must reach a deal by August the 2nd. Without it, the world's richest nation faces its first ever default. Lawyers in the Libyan city of Misrata say they have documents that show government security forces were told to starve the population of the city. And they say that they've uncovered documents which show that those forces targeted a mosque. A group of Misrata lawyers are trying to build a case against the Gaddafi government for war crimes and crimes against humanity. Well, don't forget, of course, that you can watch Al Jazeera online. Do go to our website, the address aljazeera.net/English, and then click on the Watch Now icon. Well, these are the headlines on Al Jazeera, and that's all from me, Barbara Serra. Bye-bye.